Good morning grade 8 students. Welcome to our new video. And today we are going to start with new chapter, that is force and pressure. As we all have finished with our exams and we are going to start with our further syllabus. So we are going to start with this chapter, that is force and pressure. So please open your text.
So in class 7th, you have learned how objects move. Do you recall how we can decide whether an object is moving faster than the other? What does the distance moved by an object in unit time indicate? You know that a moving object like a cycling on the ground slows down times it may change its direction of motion. It is also possible that the ball may slow down and also change its direction. Have you ever wondered what makes an object slow down or go faster or change its direction of motion? So, do you know what makes an object slow down when it is moving or let it go faster or change its direction? Let us recall some of our everyday experiences. What do you do to make a football move? What do you do to make a moving ball move faster? How does the goalkeeper stop a ball? A hockey player changes the direction of the moving ball with a flick of the stick. How do fielders stop a ball hit by a batsman? In all this situation, the ball is either made to move faster or slower, or its direction of motion is changed. We can say that a force has been applied on a ball when it is kicked, pushed, thrown or flicked. What is a force? What can it do to bodies on which it is applied? We shall seek answer to such question in this chapter. So let us see what the answers we get in this chapter. So what is force? A push or a pull. Action like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, hitting, lifting, flicking, pushing, pulling are often used to describe certain tasks. Each of these actions results in some kind of changes the state of motion of an object. These terms be replaced with the terms let us find out. So now let us find out what is force. So force is defined as a push or a pull, or we can say force is physical quantity that can change the speed, state, direction and dimension of an object. The following changes that force can bring. So change in speed. So force can bring in following changes. It can change the speed. If someone pushes your bicycle, it start moving faster. Change in state of body. When you kick football, it moves. When you catch a ball, it. Then what are the contact force? Force that act only when two bodies are physically in contact. So what is contact force? When there is a force acting between two bodies. Okay. Then mechanical force. Force exerted by machines. Example, turbines in hydropower station. Can you see the turbine? That is the force which is exerted by the machines. Then the muscular force, which is force exerted by muscles. Example, picking of a school bag. You carry your school bag. That is known as muscular force. Then the frictional force, opposing force that opposes the motion of one body over surface of another body. So the force which is opposes that the motion of one body over the surface, that is known as friction while we walk. Then what are the non-contact force? Force that act when his bodies are not physically in contact. So force that when there is no bodies are not physically in contact. Then the magnetic force, the force exerted by magnets on iron object, used in extracting scrap iron from garbage. So in the garbage if there are iron fillings, so that is removed. So this is known as magnetic force. Then the electrostatic force, force of attraction or repulsion exerted between charged particles. Okay, you just have to rub your comb on your hair and see whether the particles are attracted You might recall similar situation. For example, while taking a penalty kick in football, the player applies a force on the ball. Before being hit, the ball was at rest and so its speed was 0. So when the ball was there kept, it was in this speed was 0 before applying the force. The applied force makes the ball move towards the goal. So when he applies the force on the ball starts moving. Suppose the goalkeeper jumps up to save the goal. By his action, the goalkeeper tries to apply force on the moving ball, and when the goalkeeper tries to stop that ball, the force is also applied that time. The force applied by him can stop or deflect the ball. So when he tries to catch that ball, okay, so that time the force is applied to stop that ball, saving a goal being scored. If the goalkeeper succeeds in stopping the ball, its speed decreases to 0. So if the ball is stopped by the goalkeeper, so that time its speeds become 0. This observation suggests that a force applied on an object may change its speed. So when the force is applied on an object, it can change its speed. If the force applied on the object is in the direction of its motion, the speed of an object increases. And if the force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, this results that the decrease in speed of an object. Following activities, we can see how force can change the shape of an object. So here, by applying force, the object can change the shape. So a lump of dough on a plate. Pressing it down with your hands. How to apply the force? Spring fixed to the seat of an bicycle by sitting on the seat. A rubber band suspended from a hook or a nail fixed on a wall. So by hanging a weight or by pulling its free hand. A plastic or metal scale placed between two bricks by putting a weight at the center of the scale. So here we can see how force can change the shape of an object. What happens when you press a rubber ball placed on a table? In all these examples, you saw that the application of force on an object may change its shape. So here are the example. Having performed all the above activities, you would have realized that a force may make an object move from rest, may change the speed of an object if it is moving, may change the direction of motion of an object, may bring about a change in the shape of an object, may cause some or all of this effect. So thus an object cannot move by itself, it cannot change speed by itself, it cannot change direction by itself, and its shape cannot be changed by itself. And that you are going to write it in your notebook and complete your worksheet.